So, in our cast experience, we aim to spread awareness about Alzheimer's disease. So, what is Alzheimer? So, Alzheimer is a type of dementia or impaired ability to remember, think, make decisions, and etc. So, typically impaired in our cognitive process and cognitive functions. At the beginning stage of Alzheimer, Alzheimer patients could experience mild memory loss, and if the disease progress, it could lead to possible consequences such as loss of ability to carry on a conversation and respond to the environment. So typically, basic cognitive processes and functions. And this is very severe. The Alzheimer's disease is very severe, as it's the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. And the cause of Alzheimer's disease is due to abnormal buildup of protein in and around our brain cells, which could damage our brain functions.
People who have genetic problems, Down syndrome, severe head injury, obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure and cholesterol, and smoking would increase the risk of having Alzheimer's disease.
Symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. There are 3 symptom stages: early symptoms, middle stage symptoms, and later symptoms. Early symptoms include forgetting about recent events or conversations, misplacing items, forgetting the names of places and objects, having trouble thinking of the right words, asking questions repetitively, displaying poor judgment or finding it harder to make decisions, becoming less flexible and more hesitant to try new things. The middle stage symptoms include increasing confusion and disorientation, such as getting lost, wandering around, and not knowing what time of the day it is. Another symptom includes being obsessive, repetitive, and displaying impulsive behaviors. And delusional, or the feeling of paranoia, as well as suspicion about family members, may be one of the symptoms as well. Disturbed sleep, change in mood, difficulty performing spatial tasks, as well as hallucinations, which includes hearing and seeing things other people do not. Later symptoms include difficulty eating and swallowing, as well as difficulty changing position or moving without assistance, weight loss, unintentional urine or stools, loss of speech, and problems with short-term and long-term memory.
So based on latest science study, we found that targets that are most likely to get Alzheimer are that people with the age of 65 above, and it can also affect the adults in their 30s or 40s, and they mostly develop on women. And in the USA, Black Americans are twice more likely to develop Alzheimer than any other race.
And here are some things that you can do to help as responsible global citizens. You guys can get involved by spreading awareness, and such as creating posters, spread through social media, and inform friends and family. Donations to charities and NGO such as Alzheimer Association and Alzheimer's Disease International could help.